Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to allow camera access on Instagram on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. So, first we need to go to settings. After that you must swipe up and click on search bar. And here enter Instagram and click here. And after that you must do next action. You must click camera and turn on these little settings. And that's all. This is a very easy way. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.